Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 21st November. Let's start. In the year of 1517, on this day Sikandar Lodi, son of Velo Lodi and Sultan of Delhi, passed away. In the year of 1872, on this day Kesari Singh Barhat, a famous Rajasthani poet and freedom fighter, was born. In the year of 1877, on this day, the first phonograph was presented to the world by the famous scientist Thomas Alva Edison. In the year of 1960, on this day, Indian soldier Nayak Yadunath Singh, Paramveer Chakra awardee, was born. In the year of 1931, on this day, Gyan Ranjan, the prominent Hindi story writer, was born. In the year of 1941, on this day, Anandiben Patel, the first woman chief minister of Gujarat, was born. She had been the governor of Madhya Pradesh and is currently the governor of the state of Uttar Pradesh. In the year of 1947, on this day, the postal stamp was issued for the first time in the country after independence. In the year of 1962, on this day, during the India-China border dispute, China announced a ceasefire. In the year of 1963, on this day, India's space program began with the launch of a rocket from the Thumba region of Kerala. In the year of 1963, on this day, India's first rocket named Nike Apache was launched. In the year of 1970, on this day, Indian scientist Chandrasekhar Venkataraman, recipient of the Nobel Prize in Physics, passed away. In the year of 2006, on this day, India and China decided to enhance joint cooperation in the field of civilian nuclear energy. In the year of 2007, on this day, PepsiCo chairman Indra Nooyi was inducted into the board of directors of the American Indian Business Council. In the year of 2008, on this day, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh had expressed the possibility of India's economic growth rate to be 8% despite the global recession. In the year of 2016, on this day, celebration of 50th anniversary of special rice variety IR8 in India. It is called the magic rice because it has saved millions of lives around the world. This high-yielding rice variety was developed during the food crisis in the 1950s. In the year of 2018, on this day, the Rivas World Biennial International Prize was given to the Canuana School in Brazil. In the year of 2019, on this day, Elon Musk launched the first electric pickup Cybertruck in Los Angeles, California, USA. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System IRNSS was recognized by the International Maritime Organization as a part of the worldwide radio navigation system for operations in the Indian Ocean region. India is the fourth country in the world to have an independent regional navigation satellite system recognized by the International Maritime Organization. In the year of 2020, on this day, the second edition of the India, Singapore and Thailand Trilateral Maritime Exercise SITMAX 20 was held in the Andaman Sea. The 2020 edition of the exercise was hosted by the Republic of Singapore Navy. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Department of Fisheries, for the first time on the occasion of World Fisheries Day, presented the Fisheries Sector Award in the recognition of achievements in the fisheries sector and contribution to the development of the sector. In the year of 2020, on this day, actor Nasiruddin Shah was honored with the 2020 Aditya Vikram Birla Kalasekar Award at the annual Sangeet Kala King Awards. In the year of 2020, on this day, the US Space Agency NASA and the European Space Agency successfully launched the Copernicus Sentinel-6 Michael Faraday satellite to monitor rising global sea levels. In the year of 2020, on this day, famous Telugu poet, journalist, screenwriter, and Kendra Sahitya Akademi awardee Sheikh Khaja Hassan, popularly known as Devi Priya, passed away. He received the Sahitya Akademi Award 2017 for his book Gali Rangu. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated World Television Day. World Television Day is observed every year on 21 November. The day is celebrated to analyze the role of broadcasting media. 21 November was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in December 1996 since the first World Television Forum was held in 1996. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Please share the video with your friends.